Today we're going to talk about the pH scale. The pH scale is a measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution. So what is the pH actually referring to? Just like temperature refers to whether something's hot or cold, pH refers to whether something's acidic or basic. So some examples of acidic, and the lower numbers on the pH scale represent more acid things. So examples are like pH 1 is stomach acid. You know how that feels when you have heartburn. Coffee is pH number 5. Neutral is water. And then as you get more basic and less acidic, you get to stuff like milk of magnesia and drain cleaner. This is a logarithmic scale. So this is a factor of 10 between each one. So this is 10 times more acidic than this. So it's logarithmic. So it's not just a simple factor of 1, it's a factor of 10. Why is this important for life? Well, pH affects how things act in the environment, and biological processes usually need to operate within a narrow range of pH. So some examples of pH in the human world is if you get heartburn and your stomach acid, which is a pH 1, is really making you feel bad, you can take a base like milk of magnesia to help neutralize that feeling. If you get stung by a bee or a plant, that pain is acid. So you can neutralize it by using calamine lotion to help neutralize that. So as you can tell, pH influences biology, and it also influences chemistry in the garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.